Hi, did you know you could also make your own talking head avatar and use that as a narrator for YouTube? If you want to learn how to do this, make sure you stick around and watch the video to the end because I'm going to show you how to create your own talking head avatar so that you can also start making money on YouTube. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own talking head avatar like the one you just saw. So stick around and make sure you watch to the end. So before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It helps YouTube recommend the channel to other people who might need it, and it also helps the channel grow. So take a moment to please subscribe to the channel. So let's get started with our AI avatar. So before we get to that, I just wanted to clear something up. So I've heard many people say that, oh, these talking head videos are not monetized. These AI videos can be monetized. That's absolutely not true. These videos are actually monetizable. You can get paid from YouTube through AdSense from these videos. And on the average, if you choose a good niche like finance or tech, you can get about $5 to $15 for your RPM and get paid for creating your videos. And there are creators like this and this also that are using the exact AI tool and the exact AI talking head system, and they're making about $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Some people make more than that with just a few videos per week. And the best part is that once you upload your video, your avatar keeps working for you. You don't have to set up gear or set up time to record content or anything like that. You can just use your avatar to create your content. So we're going to go ahead and create our avatar right now. So the AI tool that we're going to be using for our image generation, because we need to have an image for the AI avatar, I like to use Leonardo AI. So I'm just going to go there right now, search for Leonardo AI, and it should take us to the interface. So you click on this link right here, and yeah, this is what Leonardo AI looks like. I think it's one of the best image generation tools out there, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen others, but this is the one I will recommend. So start using it by clicking get started. So once you click get started, it takes you to an interface, this interface right here. And yeah, as you can see, I like Leonardo AI. One reason I like it is because you have free credit. So it gives you free credit, 150 credits every 24 hours, which is pretty cool. And yeah, different things that you can do on Leonardo AI. They have video generation, but because we are generating an image, this is where you come to. You click on image. Yeah, you click on image, and yeah, it brings you to this site. So this is where you put in your prompt. As you can see, I already have a prompt preset here. You can change it if you don't like it, but this is the prompt that I like. I am creating an AI avatar, a female one. So I wrote create a female character for me. She's 28 years old and is sitting in an office looking directly at the camera, because you don't want her looking elsewhere. You want her looking directly at the camera because she's going to be your narrator for YouTube, so you want that in there. And then your skin, the skin color that you prefer. I prefer her to be African American, so I put it right there. I describe her hair, and then you can also describe what she's wearing. So she's wearing bright yellow blazer over white, and then the background is also important. You need to tell Leonardo how the environment is because I want it to look really inviting. I put in some details, potted plant somewhere, there's a mug on a deck, so just little details that can make it more exciting. So put it in there, and then once you are done with all that, what you need to do next is click generate. So we are going to click the generate button, and in just a couple of minutes we have our avatar ready. It's just doing the work for us. We don't need to do anything else at this point. And yeah, this is what we have. I'm going to show you guys the result. The results are pretty cool. Oh, that may not be one of them, but let's see the next one. Yeah, this is nice. I like this one. She looks confident. She's looking directly at the camera. Her hands are visible. I like this one too. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, so they all look pretty great, to be honest. They all look pretty great. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, but if you don't like any of them, feel free to come back to your prompt and reword it, edit it, and then put in details that you like to see in there. And yeah, don't forget to also choose your image dimension, because it's for YouTube. You want to choose this one, and then also make sure that you put it on 3D render, so right here. And then because I like this one, I'm going to hang on. Oh, I like this one too. Now I'm done, but yeah. Okay, so I like her. I'm going to go ahead and just, yeah, all we need to do is just click download and we have our avatar. So just click download and yeah, that's it. You don't have to do anything more with the image generation. Now we need to make her move. We need to put in some motions. So I'm going to take you to another AI tool that creates videos from just an image. So let's go. So now guys, it's time to create a video. It's time to make our image into a video. So the AI tool that I like to use for that one is called Hedra AI, and we're going to go there in just a minute. So you come to Hedra AI and yeah, it should come up to this page. This is what we're looking for. So you click here and it should take us to the interface for Hedra AI. So we want to create a video, so we click on video. They also do images, but like I said, I really prefer Leonardo AI. And I forgot to tell you guys, so if you need a list of prompts for your AI tool or image generation, let me know. I have a list of prompts that I can share with you. Just put it in the comment section, maybe put prompt, and I will send you the list of prompts that I use. And yeah, so let's start creating our video. So we click here on Hedra AI because we are creating a video, and this is what we have for that. So once we are in this stage, I like it, the work is almost done really. And I really like Hedra AI because like I said, you also get your free credits, and also easy to use. It's one of the most easiest AI tools to use for image to video creation. So yeah, the image dimensions are correct because in YouTube you want to put 16:9. This is correct as well. And yeah, so we are creating, and this is correct as well. So we'll just move on to this stage. So the first thing we need to do is upload our image. And to upload your image, you need to come here, click on start frame, click on upload image, because remember we already downloaded the image for our video. So click on upload image and it should take us to where we can upload our image. So yeah, this is the image that we have. So I'm just going to click it, and yeah, so just like that, our image is live on Hedra AI. Now we need to make our image move, but before that we also need to make our image talk. And I like Hedra AI because there are different options. So you can either generate speech, you can use speech generation tools like 11 Labs or Sing Labs to generate speech. You can record your audio, or you can upload an audio that you already have. So either way, all of them work. I think I'm going to go with record audio. So I'm going to just click record audio. Yes, so this is what you have when you click record audio. And I'm going to say something fun like, did you know you could also start your own YouTube channel today and start making money on YouTube? And yeah, so let's play it and see what we have. Did you know you could also start your own YouTube channel today and start making money on YouTube? That's pretty cool. Next thing you want to do is add to video. Easy peasy. Now we need to generate a video. We need to make our avatar talk, and this is where you click so that you can make your avatar talk. And I'm going to type something like avatar talking and moving hands slowly, because I don't want it to be too fast. You can write anything you want. You can say moving our hands excitedly. Yeah, let's write something fun. Excitedly. Yeah, so I like that. And then the next thing we need to do is to generate. To generate, all you need to do is to come here. I already have 43 credits, so let's, and then it brings you to this interface. So from this interface, this is where it goes to generate your video. Like I said, it might take a while to generate your video. So did you know you could also make your own talking head avatar and use that as a narrator for YouTube? So guys, how easy was that? You too can also start using YouTube today without buying any fancy gear, without even showing your face, just by using AI and generating a talking avatar just by using AI. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It helps to grow the channel and also helps to encourage me create more videos. And until I see you next time, bye bye.